Okay, so I'm going to factorize this polynomial and I'm going to use grouping. So since we have 4 terms, I can group these first two, and then I can group this last two. So in each group, we'll pull out the greatest common factor. And in the first group, you see there is an x cubed here, x squared here. So x squared is the greatest common factor. So I can pull this out. This will give me, actually 4 is also a greatest common factor. So let's just take out the 4x squared and we'll have x here and minus 3 here. And then in the second group, 5 is a greatest common factor. So in fact, I can just pull out the negative 5 for each term. Then this will leave me x in the first term and negative 3 in the second term, because negative 5 times negative 3 will be plus 15. Now the number of terms are reduced to 2. So this is the first term and this is the second term. So if you notice, in each term, we have x minus 3 involved. So therefore, x minus 3 is going to be the greatest common factor of these two terms. So if I just pull out the x minus 3 here this time, then I'll have, so sort of like I pull this out, this is not here anymore, then I have 4x squared left, and I pull this out, this is not here anymore, then I have 5 left. And this is the factors of the polynomial. So if you go one step further and solve this, so let's say we're solving this polynomial, then you will have to set this to 0. So for solving, you can just do x minus 3 equals 0, and this would give you x equals 3. And then you can do 4x squared minus 5 equals 0, and 4x squared equals 5, x squared equals 5 over 4, divide both sides by 4, and then take the square root of both sides to square root of top plus minus square root of top number. Square root of bottom is square root of 4, which is 2. So this will be, so I will just say zeros of this polynomial: 3, negative root 5 over 2, and then positive root 5 over 2. So you can also solve and find the zeros or x-intercept of this function. I think your question was factorizing probably. So then this will be, if you're solving, then this will be your answer.